Brian, what's wrong with your car?
Well, recently my battery light came on and also my brake light, and I looked that up and it says either 1, your battery's dying or dead, or 2, your alternator's bad and it's not charging. So.
Okay, so how do we test that out? We gotta test whether the alternator is good or not, right?
Yep, there's a couple ways to test it, but the easiest way is you just start the car and then disconnect your negative terminal, and if the car stays running, then the alternator's working.
Oh yeah.
If it dies, then the alternator's not working. Okay,
because the alternator actually provides the current for the car while it's running. So okay, cool. So I guess we'll start it up and then see what happens.
Yeah.
Cool.
Hopefully it starts.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Right? Yeah. Alright, so right now, theoretically, if the alternator is working, it's providing current as the engine's running. Mm-hmm. So the idea is we're going to disconnect the negative terminal?
Yep.
Okay. Cool, and see if it stops.
Yep. But I think it's working a little bit because my battery's pretty dead and it's still running, but I don't think it's working good enough.
Okay.
So let's try it.
Yeah, let's see what happens.
Be very careful you don't hit the negative and the positive together.
Yeah.
Ready?
Go. Alright.
Alright.
Well, so that means
that tells me it's the alternator.
So the alternator's dead.
Yep.
Alright. Well, that was a very quick diagnosis. Yep, so that is how to diagnose your alternator. And if you made it this far, you liked the video, so make sure to smash that like button down below. Make sure to subscribe. Share with all your friends. We always have like tips, tricks, and how to do a lot of work to your car so that you can save money. And yeah.
Cool. Next we'll have a alternator video.
Oh jeez. Yeah.
Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below, and share the video. We'll see you next time.
Alright, so this one, the alternator does actually work. So we're going to double check this one, see whether or not this is really the true deal.
And to prove it to myself, because I've never done that before.
Yeah.
I'm just trusting the internet. Go.
Alright.
It works.
There goes your proof.
Car stays running.
So this alternator is doing just fine. We're going to be replacing that one over there. Video coming soon. Awesome work, buddy. That is so cool.